In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, install, and activate plugins in Joplin Desktop. First, make sure you're using the desktop app. Plugins only work on the desktop version of Joplin, not on mobile. If you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux with the desktop app installed, you're good to go. Open Joplin and let it load your notes so everything's ready. Next, we'll head to the plugin settings. At the top of the app, click Tools, then choose Options. A settings window will appear. In the left sidebar, click Plugins. This is your control center for extending Joplin. From here, you can discover new tools, manage what's installed, and keep things organized without leaving the app. To explore what's available, click Browse All Plugins. This opens the official plugin marketplace inside Joplin. You'll see a list of community-built additions that can enhance your workflow. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. You can search by keyword or by the plugin's name. Try terms like calendar if you want date-based organization, Kanban, or Yes You Can. If you prefer a board-style view, rich markdown for improved editing and previews, or even AI tools if you're exploring automation and smart assistants. As you browse, take a moment to read each plugin's description so you understand what it does and whether it fits your notes setup. When you're ready to add one, click Install next to the plugin you want. Joplin will download it for you. Depending on your connection, this may take a few seconds. Watch for status messages so you know when it's done. After the download finishes, Joplin will prompt you to restart. Click Restart Joplin when prompted. This reloads the app and activates the plugin properly. Most plugins won't take effect until after this restart, so don't skip it. Once Joplin reopens, the plugin is active. You might notice new menu items, panels, or options inside settings depending on what you installed. That's usually your confirmation that everything is working. If something looks different but you're unsure, revisit the plugins section to see the installed list and details. To recap, open Joplin Desktop. Go to Tools, then Options, select Plugins, browse all plugins in the official marketplace, search for what you need, click Install, and restart when prompted. That's all it takes to customize Joplin and tailor it to your workflow.